Good afternoon, everyone. It's Lisa with the Power Wash store of Central PA. I'll give you a little peek at a build that we have leaving our shop here today. This one is set up for both pressure washing and soft washing. It's going to be headed out to Eastern PA with SPC Cleaning Services. What you see on this side is our 8-gallon per minute Water Dragon cold water unit. That is a Honda GX690 with an Udar pump. We have our hose reels here. We have 2 stacked 12-inch hose reels. One is garden hose, the second one on the bottom, that is our chemical hose. 250 feet of half-inch chemical hose there that's going to work with our soft wash system. And then the third hose reel over there by itself is going to be for a high pressure hose, which the customer is going to add himself. We have a 400-gallon water capacity here on this truck. It's actually 2 separate tanks. They are the rectangular tanks. They have a small footprint, which is why we like to use these tanks. Now we did add this additional bracing that goes around them. We had that custom fabricated just to keep the tanks secure and can keep them from bellowing out. Over here we have our clear cup filter, which will be for the garden hose feed. So we'll pull off that garden hose, hook it up to that clear cup filter. We like those clear cup filters because you can always see what's in there. So it makes it easy to keep an eye on and know whenever it's time to, to empty that out. And then back on this side here is going to be our soft wash system. You can see the proportioner over here on the right hand side. Up on top we have a Yamada half-inch air diaphragm pump, 20 CFM compressor, roll air compressor. Also up on top there is a 3-gallon fuel tank, which is gravity fed to this compressor. Behind the air compressor there is a series of 3 7-gallon soap tanks, which allows him to switch between different chemicals whenever he's using his proportioning system. And then down here is just a manifold system that works with a 12-volt pump. That's going to be for filling these tanks. So instead of trying to, figure out how to fill up those soap tanks, which are back here, you just connect into this manifold system, hit the switch, and it's going to fill those tanks for you. Back in the back of the skid there is 2 100-gallon tanks. Those are slimline tanks, 100 gallons each. We do have a tsunami air dryer in addition installed on this one. It's just way back behind the compressor there where you can't see it. Over on this side then, just going to be the other half of that tank, and then we have an 11-gallon fuel tank for that pressure washer. This one here is just a dump tube for these tanks so you can quickly drain the tanks. We like to put those through the floor of the truck just to make it easier so it's not splashing around. We did the same thing over here on this side with our air compressor. We just have the drain set up on through this hose here, so you just open the ball valve and drain out those air compressors. That's something that needs to be done every day with these air diaphragm systems. But this is a nice little build we put together here. If you're interested in having something like this put together or have something completely different in mind, we would love to speak with you and give you some options. Give me a call if you'd like to discuss more. I can be reached at 717-378-2276. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.